Smalltalk is so much fun. I was looking at how my move ship method worked, and I realized it was not at all versatile. Let's click on it so you can see it. There's move ship, and it has hardwired into it a reference to a ship. Well, heck, I'm going to be doing a lot with all sorts of different objects besides ships. So instead of calling it move ship, let's call it move object and pass in a variable named an object. Now let's change all the references to self a ship to an object. Now this basically all this is doing is moving the ship and doing a wraparound. If it's less than a location, wrap it around. If it's greater than the location, wrap it around, and then reset the location. So now I save it, and you notice it creates a new method called moveObject with a little colon after it showing that it accepts a parameter, in this case called an object. Now let's go to where moveShip is called. In fact, we'll show you how to find something. Let's close this out. Notice we've got the window, the editing window, showing the method moveShip, and you have bunches of options up here, one of which is senders. Click on senders and you get a list of methods, and those methods, or those senders, are basically those places where moveShip is referred to anywhere in Smalltalk. So in this case there's only one. That's in the step routine, which is the animation routine for our window, which I'm using as the main game loop. Okay, so self move ship. Instead, let's go self move object, move object a ship. Now, when I save it, watch what happens to the ship. Assuming no typos. Did you see anything happen to the ship? The ship's still moving as before. I just changed the code so that instead of calling move ship, it calls move object a ship and does exactly the same thing while the game is running. Try doing that with C++.